What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a Royal Bank of Scotland. And as the name says, it's a Bank of Scotland, alright? And with that said, if you guys are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial. And let's move forward. So the first step, you want to search for Royal Bank of Scotland login. Click on the first thing over here. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this website. Over here, click on login. And once you're in this page, what you want to do is there's two ways to log in. You can either log in through your customer number or your card number. You can choose whichever method you find easy and enter the information according to that. Click on continue and you should be able to log in into a Royal Bank of Scotland online banking account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel everybody. And I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then.